So what's up my people, it's your boy Hag the Show, the number one shows hapa nchini Kenya. Na kila siku tunasemanga tu mambo ni mdogo mdogo, mambo ni mosmos. Na kama bado huja subscribe to my YouTube channel, then be the first one to subscribe, like, share or comment, and God will bless you. Yes my guys, you have been waiting for this for long, and today I have a story here of Oga Obinna, family show, TV show, and the story of dem wa Facebook. As guys, mumeniuliza tu ya kwamba, wengi wanasema tu ya kwamba, are these two people together or hawa watu waliachana au vipi? So the question, the answer is that these people are together. Oga Obinna and dem wa Facebook are muchly in love. They are together, yeah. Hey, and there are some people there outside there are saying that, oh, this is a lie, that Oga Obinna and dem wa Facebook initially walifanya nini, waliachana. And me, I just want to tell you that Oga Obinna and dem wa Facebook are together. And as you can see the earlier video that they did, you saw Oga Obinna inviting dem wa Facebook on the stage, and alifanya nini, alimbeba kwa mkono, alimbeba kwa mkono wake, and the bodyguard alimfanya nini, alimletea Oga Obinna. So you guys have been asking me now and then that, are these people together or not? Me, I'm just telling you that these people are together, and they are muchly in love. Okay, they are really in love together. Okay, so dem wa Facebook and Oga Obinna, hawa ni watu ambao wametoka mbali. They have started this journey together, and as you can see, both of them, they love each other and they support each other through this their contact. Kila kitu ambayo wanafanya nini, wanafanya together. So dem wa Facebook and Oga Obinna are really doing a good work pale YouTube, pale TikTok, pale everywhere. So guys, you have been asking me, these people are together, na wametoka tena mbali zaidi. They have been supporting, Oga Obinna have been supporting dem wa Facebook, and dem wa Facebook pia pale alikuwa anafanya nini, anamsupport. So these people are together, these people are working together, and all the team of Oga Obinna, including Jackie Ogaga, who is now traveling, who is now on his way, okay, ameenda majuu, umeona. So this is a good work. This shows that Oga Obinna is doing a good work, is supporting his people, okay. So mafans wa Oga Obinna wote, mafans wa Jackie Ogaga, mafans wa dem wa Facebook, you have really show love. You have really show love to these people. You have support them. Without you hawangekuwa wamefika mahali wamefika. Without your support hawangekuwa wamefika mahali wafanya nini, wamefika. So my guys, these people are together, and these people are moving together. Dem wa Facebook and Oga Obinna hawajaachana. Wengi wanasema, oh, ati hao watu waliachana, oh, sijui nini, sijui dem wa Facebook sasa yako na ako peke yake, sijui anafanya vitu peke yake. No, these people are together, and these people are working together. Hao watu wanafanya kazi pamoja, and as you can see, wameendelea. Their YouTube channel now iko sawa, iko safi zaidi, na Mungu azidi kuwabariki, na Mungu azidi pia kufanya nini, wainua tena zaidi sana. So pale nimewajibu tena vizuri zaidi ya kwamba Oga Obinna wakiwa pale na dem wa Facebook, they are together, they are doing their work together, they are supporting each other, they are following each other, na wako pamoja tena zaidi. So my guys, pale at my YouTube channel hapo chini, make sure pia umefanya nini, umefinya kengele, subscribe. I'll be giving you content after content about dem wa Facebook, Oga Obinna family, Jackie Ogaga's family, and Mr. Tumbili. And as you can see, Mr. Tumbili pale na Jackie Ogaga are together. This shows that there is a good relationship, a uniting a team that is there between Oga Obinna, Demo Facebook, Jackie Ogaga, and the entire family. So make sure you subscribe at my YouTube channel _Hug the Show, the #1 shows hapa nchini Kenya. I'll be bringing you more information, more news, more information about Oga Obinna's family. Me, I just talk about Oga Obinna's family only in this my channel. So just go there at the comment section, comment, tuambie uko na maoni gani, uko na kitu gani ambayo unaweza ambia Oga Obinna's family. And I love you so much. I love you all. May God bless you. Until we meet again. Kaboom.